Hi guys, today I'm going to be making a lava lamp. First, you're going to want to pour in a lot of oil. Then you're going to want to put in a little bit of water. Just like this. Now you're going to only want to put in 3 drops of food coloring. And now, last but not least, you're going to want to put in a tablet. This is what it looks like.